Imagine a lone, rocky world warmed by the far distant light of a red supergiant star. Simple life clings to shallow rock pools on the young planet's surface, but their warm, comfortable existence is doomed. High in the sky, the far distant supergiant sun is burning through the last of its hydrogen fuel. The force of gravity pushing in overcomes the force of fusion pushing out. And 20,000 trillion tons of hot, burning hydrogen gas collapses down into a single point in space. A black hole. Surprisingly, the black hole that makes the unnova so dark doesn't put the planet in immediate danger.
This is one of the biggest misconceptions of movies, is that suddenly, if a star becomes a black hole, then the planet is going to be sucked into it. The gravity of the black hole is exactly the same as the gravity of the star, as long as it hasn't lost any mass. From a distance, if you're orbiting the star, it's the same as orbiting the black hole. Nothing would change.
As the supergiant star collapses, the view from the far distant planet would be surreal.
What you're going to see is, there's your star in the sky, and then a minute later, it's gone. You will actually see it collapse, forming a black hole, and the whole thing just falls into it, and that's that. What would happen next would be a long, slow, cold death. You're basically turning off your star.
A fleeting moment, but the beginning of a winter that would never end.
If you suddenly turned off the light from the sun, life wouldn't actually be immediately extinguished. It would just be like the night. We would be a little bit cooler than normal, but eventually over time, over weeks, over months, over years, the planet would begin to freeze over.